Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I'm going to show you a few different ideas for candy earrings. I have this pair that I already made that I'll show you. I found these rings at Joann's, I think, but you can find a lot of different hardware for earrings. But it came in a set of different sizes. But I put mini pony beads and a charm in the middle. So this is an easy option. Now for the rest of them, I have this style earring back, and I added, it might be easier if you add a little ring, or you could just tie whatever you're adding on would work too. But I'm just going to give you a few options here. So you could use like a charm. These are little pacifiers. That would be cute if you attach those. You could also use a larger charm. So any charm would be really cute. And you want to keep in mind that you want these kind of lightweight because you don't want them to be too heavy. So here's an option if you make stars but out of perler beads because they're very light. That would be a cute option. Perlers. So these were little shapes that I melted out of perlers. These would work really cool. These would look cool. And with that, you know, I have these charms and they make these small ones. You could connect to make these like longer. And if you do use these, you would just put a mini pony bead or a regular pony bead in there to close it. You don't have to worry about this side because these are small. But you can find these, well, not this is exact one, but you can find mini charms quite a few different places. But this would be a cute option if you just did charms. And those are really lightweight. And then I have, you could melt any perler design for earrings. These are lightweight and a fun option. And then I thought you could do, if you tie a string on your little ring or earring, and you could string on pom-poms or beads. That would be cute, and these are really lightweight and come in all different colors and sizes. Okay, well, those were just some ideas for earrings. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'll see you in the next one.